Hey everyone, I'm Nina Zeta with Sidewalker Daily, and in today's video, I want to talk about Instagram Reels that you guys can make without showing your face. Now, for so many people, they have seen my excitement on this channel about Instagram Reels, about posting. I love Reels. I think that I've seen the results, right? So I think that's why I love them so much. I've seen the results my clients have seen on Reels, and I've made tons of videos on this channel about Reels. But a few of you guys have come to me and said, Nina, I want to do Reels too. I want to take advantage of this growth that people are seeing, but I don't want to show my face. And of course, the inner coach in me wants to help these people work through that so that they can actually show their face on camera. But I also get that it takes time and it's not for everyone, and not maybe everyone's business requires them to show their face, right? So with that said, today's video, I'm going to share my screen and share some examples of different Reels that you guys can do without showing your face. I think, like I said, for some people, it's because they're shy, and for some people, they're busy. I have influencers and creators and small businesses that I work with that they're just like, I'm too busy to constantly be making these Reels. I don't have someone that can post on my behalf, so I need to outsource them, and I need to outsource my Reels, so I need to be able to have someone else make them for me, right? So this is another reason why someone may decide to not show their face, is because they want to be able to have someone else do it for them so that they can also participate, but their face is not in it. Now, before I go ahead and jump in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that little bell to be notified on videos that we publish weekly on all things social media, influencer marketing, and of course, Instagram and Reels. Now I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen, and let's start with the first style of Reel that you can post without showing your face. And this would be the motivational quotes. A lot of people love to consume quotes on social media, and they also like to share them. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes like my friends will even DM me I don't know, a carousel or a reel or something that they saw on social of like a motivational quote. And I think quotes are obviously very shareable in nature, so that's why people like to put them into Reels, and Reels just makes them a little bit more dynamic. So let me give you an example.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and for you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
So in that example that we just saw, there was, literally just a graphic that was created, probably on Canva, a little bit of that background, which was moving, maybe that's some video, maybe it's stock video. And again, Canva is such a great resource for so many creators. It has tons of different templates. And literally there was just text popping on the screen with some motivational, quotes on it. And that was something that this creator was able to post, without having to show their face. And I'm sure you'll see, now that you're aware of the motivational quotes, you'll see so many different styles of Reels pop up. Now, the second type of Reel that you can create without showing your face is similar to, instead of putting a motivational quote, we're seeing people put definitions. By putting a definition that's related to your niche or to your business, it's a way to connect with your audience a little bit better. Let me go ahead and share an example with you. So in this example, as you can see, it is literally just text on a screen. There's no even moving, versus the motivational quote we saw, like the text coming in and out. This one is just a quote with some music in the background, a soothing like audio, and just like some, stock footage of nature. Now, a third faceless Reel idea that you can do, which I personally think is really cute and I like, it's a little bit more on like Sidewalker's brand, is either a tweet or a status update. So right here on the screen, you can see what I mean by that. And it's literally just so simple. We have the tweet, we have the status update, we have just a moving background and some music. And it just goes to show how much music is a part of the Reels experience by putting something that maybe the audience relates to, and having a scenic background, super simple and a great way to post a reel. Now, another concept that you can do for a faceless reel is showing a behind the scenes, something that does not include you, but that you are putting together. So let's just say if you are at work or you're putting together a photo shoot, or there's something that involves steps, showing people the steps and then the end result. So let me give you an example. Now that example was so short, it just had a little bit of like a, instrumental style of music. They were just putting together a little like prop set with the earrings on it, and boom, it was probably less than 15 seconds, right? But it was still able, this creator or this business, to create a reel and to participate, but not show their face, right? So sometimes it's just showing things in motion and piecing those clips together. Now, if you are someone that is completely lost and doesn't even know how to piece those clips together and struggles with the tech side, well, then you're definitely going to want to check out our Instagram Reels Bootcamp. It's an intensive bootcamp, and it shows you exactly how to put reels together, and it does with face and without your face. So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely take a look at the link below so that you can learn more. Now, another faceless reel idea that I love is the daily vlog, because again, it's kind of coming from your perspective. It's like, what did I do today, mashed up and put together in, a 15-30-second reel, right? So it's just, again, piecing those clips together. When we were showing behind the scenes, we were showing a moment, but the daily vlog is different, right? Because we're showing our entire day, and we're piecing together these clips sequentially, like from beginning to end, so that there's like a little bit of storytelling and that it's very, very clear to the person. And then also adding some text. So let me show you an example of what that looks like. Now, in that example, there wasn't even text. It was just about speed. The reel was short, speed, and it just showed different clips throughout the day. And again, sometimes when you're thinking about reels, it's not about what you're saying. It's about like the audio and the speed of the clip. In that video, it was super, super short. It probably showed a few clips mashed together of the day, but because it matched the music, because the audio was strong, that reel was able to get views for its creator. And again, that's something that you may want to consider. Don't always do these long-winded clips where they're really long. Focus on staying on beat, having something short and cut up, because it keeps the user wanting to watch to the end. And that's what drives watch time with reels, is getting people to watch to the end. And of course, if you're interested in learning more about the reels algorithm, I have a video on that, so you can watch that when you're done with this video. Now, my last tip, and relevant to the daily vlog about putting things together, you're gonna see that there are trends that pop up on TikTok and reels. And I bring up TikTok because you guys have to also understand, TikTok was like the birthplace of reels, right? So a lot of these really great ideas come from TikTok. So if you haven't joined TikTok, even if you're not planning on posting, I would definitely suggest you join just to see different content ideas, to get inspired, because that's one of the biggest parts of coming up with reels, is coming up with your content ideas, right? And you will see trends. And this trend that I'm gonna show you right now is just putting together different clips with a song in a background, right? So this doesn't require you at all to have to participate or show your face, because it's a trend. So watch out for these trendy things that are happening so that you can participate. And there's tons of them that require not showing your face. So let me give you that example. So in that example, the trend is add 27 photos to this sound and let it sync, right? So how simple is that for someone who is not wanting to show their face? But again, it's that upbeat music, it's that audio that's making it work for that reel. So audio is super, super important element in finding success on reels. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think. Do you have any other reels that are faceless that you can drop into the comments below so we can check out? Again, we're always all learning from each other. If you guys like this video, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. That's how you support our channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.